7 segment displays are commonly used to display the numerals from 0 to 9. These are the 7 segments. They are named as A, B, C, D, E, F and G commonly all the time. So to display any digit, some segments glow, another segments do not glow. All the segments are actually LEDs and they are connected either in common anode fashion or common cathode fashion. Let us consider if they are connected in the common cathode fashion. In that case, all the cathodes are connected together. So for every LED, the cathode, suppose this is A, this is B, and like that, all G are there. Then all the cathodes are connected together and the resistances are for the current limiting and the inputs are given here as A, B, C, D up to E, F, G. Now when it is a common cathode connection, then cathodes are connected to ground. So when input is given high, that is 1, for example 5 volts here, then 5 volts at A, that is 1 level, then current will flow and LED will glow. So input 1 means LED will glow. And if input is 0, LED will be off. So for example, to display 0, then if 0 is to be displayed, then only this G will be off and all others will be on. So 0 will be displayed. To display 1, only B and C will be on this way. If you consider common anode connection, then all the anodes of all LEDs, they are connected together. For example, these are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All anodes are connected together to plus 5 volts. And then through resistors, they are connected to the input terminals, maybe A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now here, if input is connected to A as 5 volts or say 1 level, then 5 volts on this side and 5 volts on this side, current will not glow, so LED will be off. So when input is equal to 1, the LED is off. Input is 5 volts or 1 level, then LED is off. And if input is equal to 0, then in this case, if this is 0 instead of 5, then current will flow and LED will glow. So the code numbers or the inputs for common cathode and common anode, they are exactly opposite to each other because of the construction. There are ICs available at 7447, 7448. They are used for common anode and common cathode respectively. If we have the BCD 2 7 segment decoder, then this BCD to 7 segment decoder will have 4 inputs. The inputs will be the binary or BCD data corresponding to the number which is to be displayed. So that will be DCBA will be the input data. This data will be given. So to display 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 will be given like that. On the output side, there are 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are connected. A, B, C, D, E, F, G will be the outputs. The outputs are generated by this decoder. And this E, B, C, D are given to the 7 segment display so that the particular number will be displayed. For example, at DCBA, if we connect 0101, then this is equivalent to 5 in decimal. Then when this is 0101 is connected here at 0101, then BCD to 7 segment decoder will send the output so that the number 5 will be displayed. So out of this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, if 5 is to be displayed, then B and E will be off and all others will be on. So for that, for considering all the input and all the output conditions, a truth table may be generated from this. Let us generate this truth table for this. Now for the 7 segment display, suppose this is the 7 segment display and we know A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and what are the codes generated at the output for the given decimal number that we can decide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are the decimal numbers. Corresponding DCBA 00000001. So decimal number which is to be displayed is given here. The corresponding BC code can be written like this. We know these BC codes. We are using it continuously in all our previous applications. So I just write down them directly. These are the binary equivalents of the numbers 0 to 9. Binary and BCD are same for a single digit decimal. Now if you want to display a 0, then 0 means G is off. Let us write it for common cathode. So whenever it is common cathode, cathode is connected to ground. So we have to apply input here. So input equal to 1 means it is glow. So 1 is for glow. So to display 0, G will be off. So G is 0 and all others are 1. This becomes the outputs. These are the outputs. To display 1, you can see that 1 means only B and C are on. So out of this display, only B and C are on. All others are off. So B and C will be 1. All others are 0. To display 2, 2 will be displayed like this. This is 2. So you can see that F and C are off. F and C are off. All others are on. To display 3, 3 is displayed like this. So F and E will be off. All others are on. Then in this way we'll continue for the other numbers also. For example, 4 is there. Then when 4 is there, we can see that A, G and D are off. So A, G and D are off. All others are on. Then 5, this is 5. B and E are off. B and E are off. All others are on. 6 may be displayed like this. This is a 6. So only A and B are off. A and B are off. All others are on. 7 is just like this. This is 7. So A, B, C are on and all others are off. 8, for 8 all should be on. So this is 7. And for 9, if you consider, this is a 9. So when 9, E and D are off and all others are on. So these are the outputs which are generated from these inputs. So this circuit will have 4 inputs. It will have 7 outputs and every output will have certain relationship with the input, and a big circuit could be designed. For that, K-map or any other method can be used to design the circuit. But such designed circuits, as I told you, are available in the form of ICs, and we can use directly ICs by applying any BCD data from input side and displaying any number from the output side. In case of multi-digit numbers, the multi-digit ICs, multiple sets of these circuits will be used so that 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit numbers can be displayed. We should understand from this table that to display any number, so to display any number, for example, to display number 4, what should be the ABCD or BCD input? That is 0101. That is 0101. So when 0101 is the input, the number displayed will be this. When you apply, you can see it another way also. If the applied input is 0110, then which number will be displayed? 0110 is the code of 6. So the number 6 will be displayed. We can see it in another way also. If 7 is to be displayed, then which segments of 7 segments should be on? They should be A, B, C should be on. If 4 is to be displayed, then which segment should be on? F, E, C, B are on. We can see it another way also. If for 7 segment displays, only consider suppose this case, 5 number case, only A, C, D, F and G are on. That is E and C are off. Then which number is displayed? 5 number is displayed. So to display any number, what should be the input BCD? What should be the segment code? That we should understand. And if the BCD codes are given or 7 segment on-off segments are given, then which number will be displayed? That also we can understand from this.